Hi, dear friends. Our next class about the payment voucher. How to input the payment entries in our business. How to input in it. Payment voucher. Earlier, our video discussed about the contra voucher. How to input data in contra voucher. How to print out the reconciliation statement. How to input the bank date in reconciliation statement. Which type of entries enter into contra voucher. We have a number of cash counter in our company, cash from one counter to another counter, cash into bank, withdraw from bank, one bank to another bank. These entries are enter into contra voucher. Next, our payment voucher. Payment voucher already used to record all bank and cash payment transaction of our company. For example, the settlement of suppliers bill against bill, salary settlement, salary slip payment to bank, wages paid, administrative expense meetings, advertisement bills, and so on. Stationery, office stationery purchases, cleaning items purchases, these are not inventory items. So, input in payment voucher. First, gateway of tally. Select accounting voucher from gateway of tally. Then we can press the V key, keyboard. Then we get a then get window. Here display the payment voucher. Payment voucher shortcut key F5 or use the key button from key button area F5 payment voucher. We get a payment voucher screen. You listen here. First part, cash or bank. Which item by payment through, cash through, then here bank inputting, here expense items inputting there. Okay. Listen here. Payment voucher, first payment voucher input there. First our SBI bank, SBI Pala branch in the salary slip Pala branch like here we see 3 employees. Salaries to Rajesh, salaries to Rema, salaries to Rinapi. These are the head office employees. Meena saying this here. Slip employee slip against a salary check passed it to bank. Then input to their bank account. Which bank was paid salary bank account, salary employees list input there. Debit or credit or to or buy. The to or buy mode here input the salaries employees here bank account there. Okay, input their salaries and give narrations. Just after control A to save it. Next, look there, cash payment. That is the wages on factory employees. 4,600 rupees paid to wages. So we input first cash paid by cash as wages on factory employees. This gives the input. Next one, office stationery paid by cash. We have number of cash counter paid by different cash counter. There are different cash account create there. Ledger account create a cash counter 1, cash counter 2, cash counter 3. Identify cash ledger account. Then give these entries. Stationaries, not inventory items are purchase office stationaries, cleaning stationery items purchase, then payment input there, not a inventory item. Purchase voucher used to only the inventory items. Here input office items purchase, cleaning stationaries purchase, input there. Other cash salary paid, wages paid, other office expenses meet there. Then payment voucher used. Next one, receipt voucher. Collection from cash collected or check collection from bank, collection bank through GPay or other net banking from our customers. Customers collections are collections input there, cash or bank. Receipt from our customers, receipt from other interest, so on. Input the receipt voucher. Receipt voucher key F6 key press or click a mouse from the key button area, you get the receipt voucher. Okay. Each inputting entries are passed just after give the narration against your transaction. Transaction, which type of transaction, how to identify it? You give the narration in the narration field. You mean? Just once again repeat it. Contra entry for fund transfer inputting. Receipt voucher, receipt any cash or check collected from others, that is input in receipt voucher. Payment, our company payments, all payments in that was under debtors, creditors payments, supplies payments, then salary paid, wages paid, stationery purchase, all or is input in payment voucher. Okay. After inputting, have any mistake in their input, use up and down key, use the present date voucher, this up and down key, use the page down key, use net voucher, move on down. Just after inputting our vouchers, we get the day book from Gateway Tally display menu, click display, then get the day book. Our inputting all transactions display there. We can edit from select from on enter. We can edit it, have any changes to you needed. Okay, after inputting contra voucher, receipt voucher, all voucher inputting, we can see these inputting from day book display. Select the display menu, check the day book, you give the day book, we can edit from select this one and enter key, then we can change any change, we can edit one. Okay, just after control A to save. That is the day book. Next, we may use account book display all ledger account books, groups books, cash and bank book, cash details display there, how many cash account there, some bank account there, look the cash book, then bank book, the two banks there, give the bank book. Monthly summary report, then press enter, every which month you needed, select your own month and enter key. Okay, all report from there we can display for full reports. Our trial balance to other all subsidiary reports, look there, all reports from there were taken from display menu. Okay, hello, thanks for watching our video. Listen, watch all videos and like me, subscribe, watch fully and subscribe me, support me. Thank you all.